Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next answer copy of our Aim for Agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having Aim for Agriculture series in which we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full tests. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 34. So we will see what were the questions asked and how the student has approached the answer, and by analyzing of these kinds of answer, it could be very helpful in your answer writing journey also. You can see how to approach the answer, how to write certain points, how to use examples, how to structure your answers, how to introduce, how to conclude. So all these things will be very helpful in your answer writing journey also. So let's start. So the first question was, describe the host selection in phallophagous insects. So, what are phallophagous insects? So, whenever you are giving any optional, and particularly for agriculture optional, so these are the terms which you should be knowing. These are basic terms when it comes to agriculture optional. Although sometimes, if you have not heard about these terms, it could look difficult to you, but this should be known to you as a agriculture optional aspirant. Okay, so phallophagous insects are those insects which feed on leaves, as highlighted by the student here also. So let's see how they what are the mechanism for their host plant selection. And you can see example of phallophagous insects have been also mentioned, such as Japanese beetle. So whenever you add examples in your introduction part, or whenever you are writing points, so that enhances your answer. So please try to add examples. So let's see the mechanism of host selection. So I will be just giving you a brief idea of points. So if you want to read the answers in detail, you can pause the video and read it. Okay, अगर आपको डिटेल में पढ़ना है तो you can certainly pause at certain intervals and read the answers in detail. So the first point is chemical cues, which are also known as LLO chemicals, which is released by the plants or many times released by the insects also, to see how the chemicals interact with the plants. If they interact positively or the response is positive for the insect feeds on it. If it is not positive for the insect will not feed on it. And these chemicals are generally secondary metabolites such as alkaloids, terpenoids, phenolides. Okay, and for example here, monarch butterfly, it uses a chemical cue for its selection in milkweed plant. Okay, so you can use these types of examples and you can see how beautifully examples are used in this answer. Secondly, visual cues can be used, as every insect, especially phallophagous insects, have a kind of attraction towards some color, towards structure, towards shape. So if that color, that shape, that size is preferable by the insect, uh, it will go into it. If it is not preferred, it will not select the plant. Okay, for example, cabbage butterfly have been mentioned, as the name suggests, cabbage. So it like cruciferous plants, okay, such as cabbage, broccoli. So they will uh, it will it will select those types of plants. Next, tactile cues can be used, such as physical lecture, such as surface characteristics of leaves. By landing on them, they will certainly land on them, and they will feel the character, they will feel the structure, they will test the structure, and they will use this to their advantage. And again, examples have been mentioned. Nutritional quality, by getting the idea of the nutritional quality of the plants, you can select or deselect it. So these are some of the common points, and you can see how beautifully examples have been mentioned in nutritional quality. The examples of gypsy moth have been mentioned. So a fair written answer and a very good written answer. So you can pause and read the answers at different points. And if you don't know these examples, you can also add these examples to your notes. So that would be very helpful to you. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is causes of undernutrition at different stages of life. So we all know that what is undernutrition: when individual does not receive an adequate amount of nutrients, leading to various health issues. So what are the causes of undernutrition at different ages? So for infants, it could be due to inadequate breastfeeding. It could be due to some formula mismanagement, like dilution of infant formula. Okay, and you can see an example. It has been also mentioned that as per the National Family Health Survey, around 35.5% children under 5 are stunted. So although this example could be mentioned in early childhood for more enhancement. So what you can observe here, whenever you write data, so please try to write the source of data. So by adding the source of data, that enhances your answer. For early childhood, it could be some kind of food insecurity, because when the child is in growing stage, especially in early childhood and in the adulthood, in ages between 5 to 14, okay, so there they need high amount of nutrition for their growth. If they do not get that kind of nutrition, they will not have proper growth, they will have stunted growth. So these are the problems. Case studies have been also mentioned. So well written answer. Next is school age, which is known as adolescent age. So in this age also there is high amount of nutritional requirement. So due to poor nutritional status, due to some cultural beliefs, there are other many factors also. So there could be problem in, and there could be undernutrition. For adolescents also, that there is increased nutrition requirements for them. If it is not fulfilled, there is undernutrition and undergrowth. Lack of awareness is another problem. For pregnant and lactation, increased nutritional needs would be there. There are social economic barriers such as poverty. There are lack of health and availability of food grains. So these are some of the points for elderly, such as reduced appetite and taste sensitivity, chronic illness. So these could be some of the problems which can lead to undernutrition. Although other problems such as poverty, lack of uh, lack of food grains, these points can be also be added. Okay, not have proper economic stability, there could be living in unhygienic conditions. So these can be other problems also. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is precision agriculture, and discuss its benefits and challenges, and also discuss some agriculture technologies used in precision farming. So we all know what precision agriculture is. It is the advanced farming practice that leverages technology, that is use of technology in agriculture to optimize management. As the name suggests, precision. So using technology, we can use the inputs precisely, and we can get benefits also. So this is what precision agriculture is. It involves use of GIS, Internet of Things, data analytics, GPS, remote sensing. All these things can be used here. Use of drones. So all these things comes under precision agriculture. Now, what are the benefits of precision agriculture? Obviously, there will be increased efficiency. There will be higher yields. There could be more environmental sustainability, cost savings, data driven decisions. So all these are good points, and examples have been also mentioned. There are certain challenges also, such as high initial cost. Obviously, for having technologies such as drones, GPS, sensor, you need high amount of initial cost. Complexity, especially for the rural farmers, the smaller marginal farmers, these technologies become very complex to understand. There could be problems of data management, there could be connectivity issues, privacy concerns could be there. So very well written point. You can pause at different intervals and read the answer. Now, what are the smart agriculture technologies used in precision agriculture? Those can be drones, those can be GPS guided tractors, those could be other Internet of Things such as sensors or other things. Okay, for data management, for proper planning, robotics could be used, artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used, GIS could be used, remote sensing can be used. So these are the some of the equipments which could be used in precision agriculture. So I hope you like it, and again well concluded. So this was all for today. I hope you liked all the answers and you have paused the video at several intervals and read the answers. So that is all for today. Please do press the like button, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you. आप सबों के लिए वीडियो को बनाने के लिए काफी हार्ड वर्क लगता है, एंड इफ यू लाइक, इफ यू शेयर, इफ यू सब्सक्राइब, इट मोटिवेट्स अस टू मेक more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.